Bitcoin just dropped below 70,000, almost $69,000. Ethereum breaks 2,100, back down close to $2,000 per Ethereum. Are we going lower? Well, what you need to look out for right now is a bunch of longs being liquidated. This is the traders, right? There's massive amount of traders out there that do 10x, 15x, 20x, even 100x leverage, trying to catch the next up, the next rally, trying to catch the bottom and rally. Maybe they're playing a shorter game. They're looking at certain candles, thinking this could bottom here, move up 10, 20%, 5%, whatever it is. They're betting on the market going up. And, well, you're playing against the most advanced, sophisticated financial artificial intelligence in the world. You're also playing against billionaires, trillionaires. And you're also doing this trading, this betting on the market up, betting on the market down, right? You're doing all of this on centralized exchanges where the exchanges can see what you're doing, and they also own the assets that you're betting on. So when they see what you're doing, they know that if they push the price down to a certain point, they can make a ton of money by liquidating these traders. And they've done this to the tune of over $25 billion since October. I think we're actually approaching $30 billion that the exchanges have liquidated from people who are betting on the market to go up or down. Now, don't get me wrong. You can make money in between all of this. Maybe you can actually hit that big one. And some people will, but most won't. Most people will end up losing more money than they actually make. Now, the exchanges know this, so they're going to continue to do this up and down until there's a catalyst that breaks all barriers. Maybe the Clarity Act, maybe seeing big institutions in the banking system start to really build in crypto. That's right around the corner. But right around the corner in crypto could be a year and a half. So what do you do in times like these? You know that this is happening. You know, and I know that there's massive manipulation. Me personally, I will continue to buy, continue to chip away. Because remember, whether it's long or short, they know what you're doing. And they also want to buy many of these assets: XRP, WorldCoin, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, the list goes on. And what many people don't understand is that they can't just go and open market, buy a bunch of these cryptos. Not just because the rules and regulations, because we haven't had the Clarity Act yet, but also because if you see corporations like Microsoft, Amazon, Apple taking 1 or 2% of just their cash reserves, let alone 5% of their total assets, which is recommended by many investors, you're talking about hundreds of billions of